Hola. Oh, we got a Scat Pack. What's going on over here?
This is my first time in a Challenger.
Wow.
Shout out to Leslie. Thank you so much.
Wow,
Making dreams
You gonna take
happen.
it for a spin?
Oh, maybe. Don't threaten me with a good time. This is gorgeous. Good on you.
Don't video the car too much. It's so dirty.
You don't even notice. I just edited that out,
Actually,
right?
it's not even bad.
Filthy. It's so bad.
The guy really wanted to sail, right?
The guy got tired of going back and forth to the manager, so he went into the manager's office.
Yeah. What did you do?
They did, actually the brain is not there.
Yeah, at TMP. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. It's not steam, eh? I think I've seen this one before. That? Is it?
It just sounds like it.
I believe you, man. You could have kept going. It's got a comm cam, custom grind. Traction control and traction control. Yeah. Nice run.
Did you see her shifter?
What's her shifter? Oh no, her shifter? Oh no,
shifter.
what's your shifter?
It's the Bart
Is it a-
shifter.
Oh,
with the new
nice.
knob.
Changed it.
Oh, that's cool.
The speed dog.
I heard the bar is really gonna improve it, eh?
Oh my god.
Yeah, totally.
Like you don't have to go like this, it's like this.
Yeah.
Like notchy.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
yeah.
Yeah,
No slack in it.
yeah. It's a lot of slack. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. And it's adjusted so that it's like in the direction where you are going to be changing gears.
No
it's
way,
not
really?
like it's,
Yeah.
Six gears like we're fourthies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. I've heard it more than once, and it seems like the mod just
Oh,
just
it's
do it, right?
love it. Yeah. Definitely love it.
It's like
And the
Dodge
ball,
should have
we
done
got
it
something.
already, right?
Steering
Yeah,
wheel and the shift are probably the two things I like the most that I've done.
yeah.
Lowered it.
Yeah.
That's nice. Good for the looks.
What kind of what's the springs?
H&R.
H&R springs. Nice. A little bit more stiffer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
A little more stiffer.
not much from factory, really.
Yeah.
It feels like it's in sport mode when it's in comfort.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then when you put it in sport mode, it's really stiff.
Yeah.
Track mode, it's we did the cold air intake, so when you hammer it, it sounds like a little supercharger.
Oh, what kind of
got a little bit of a
cold air
warning to
intake do you have in there?
Alexandria.
Plus we put
Get over here.
the Hellcat air box, so we opened up the headlight.
Yeah.
You do not. No, you're dead. No, that is so unsafe. No, thank you.
Oh, nice.
Actually, she's getting dirty.
Sorry, what's the? Oh, what did you get? Yeah.
Came with the car.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sorry, what was this called?
The K&N.
The K&N.
I just didn't put the sticker on.
Gotcha. You should probably put the sticker on.
Hey?
You should probably put the sticker on.
I wanna get that black though. I don't like the chrome.
Yeah. That's not bad.
There's a
Actually, it says it on the side here, K&N.
Oh, there you go.
Right there.
Spoiler. And then yeah, like the small.
Fridge just dirty, man.
oh yeah.
That's all right. Yeah, I like the tuck. So, like, how much of a drop of H&N? I mean, your.
It was
Your
an
springs.
inch and a half in the front and an inch and 3/4 in the back.
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay.
I want to say it's 200 degrees for a couple minutes. There's YouTube on.
Yeah.
And you could bake it. 200.
No.
The carbon fiber flat bottom. I love that.
Well, it was
Does it have all the
I just envisioned.
any lights to it?
No,
No.
I didn't want that.
Okay.
Yeah, the rev counter in that.
Yeah. Good.
One of these days we're gonna build it out and supercharge it, but
Yeah.
who knows when.
God, man, I feel like I was totally ripped.
How many kilometers on this thing?
64.
64? Not bad. Yeah.
I felt bad.
For a 19.
Yeah.
Car's 5 years old now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it is.
Where's it, Mom? Oh, really?
Yep. Yeah, I picked her up just before shutdown.
Shaker Challenger. I'm not sure if it's like a 5.7 or something. Too bad. Let's go. It's gonna be a 7-second run. I know it. Feel it. Something happened. There you go. Got him though. Oh, that huge big boy Challenger's coming up. Or no.